The power of imagination. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the brilliant mind of Albert Einstein, and our first quote revolves around the incredible power of imagination. Reading quote, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world, stimulating progress, giving birth to evolution." Einstein reminds us that imagination is our greatest asset. It's the spark of creativity that leads to innovation and progress. Never let anyone stifle your imagination. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it shape your world. The value of hard work. Welcome back, friends. Our second Einstein quote revolves around the value of hard work. Let's divine. Quote 2. Genius is 1% talent and 99% hard work. Host. Thoughtful Einstein emphasizes that success isn't just about natural talent. It's about putting in the effort. So, never share the idea that success comes easy. Instead, embrace the power of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Video 3. The importance of curiosity. Curious, hey there. We're back with another intriguing Einstein quote. This time, it's all about curiosity. Quote 3. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. Einstein believed that curiosity fuels our quest for knowledge. So, never let anyone discourage your curiosity. Embrace it, ask questions, and keep exploring. It's the key to unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Video 4. Embracing mistakes. Introduction. Host. Encouraging. Welcome back to your channel name. Our fourth Einstein quote encourages us to embrace our mistakes. Quote 4. Host. Reading quote, "A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new." Explanation. Host. Empathetic mistakes are a natural part of learning and growth. So, never be afraid to share your mistakes and experiences with others. They can inspire, teach, and encourage resilience. Video 5. The power of giving. Introduction. Host. Inspiring. Our final Einstein quote centers around the power of giving. Let's explore it together. Quote 5. Host. Reading quote, "The value of a man should be seen in what he gives, and not in what he is able to receive." Explanation. Host. Passionate Einstein reminds us that true value lies in our capacity to give and contribute to the world. So, never hesitate to share your generosity with others. It can create ripples of positive change. Conclusion. Host. Reflective. And there you have it. 5 powerful insights from the legendary Albert Einstein. Remember, these are things we should never keep to ourselves. Share them with the world, and let's change lives together. Outro. Host. Smiling. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep embracing the wisdom of Einstein.